Hey there SaaS product owners. In this video I'm going to show you 5 best practices to secure your SaaS product and protect the privacy of your customers. Watch out for the 5th best practice because that alone is more powerful than anything else you can do to protect your SaaS application. To get more free SMS updates and helpful content on how to use SMS for your business like a pro, subscribe to our channel. SMS Country makes using SMS for OTP security alerts and app security easy, fast and effective. When you sign up to use our API, you get free credits to test our platform. Check us out today at smscountry.com. You can sign up for free or see how it works with a free demo. Hey there SaaS product owners. Alright, enough chit chat. Let's dive in. Best practice number 1. Use a secure password policy. You see, passwords are the first line of defense against hackers. So you need to make sure your first line of defense is your strongest one. You need to ensure that your users have a strong passwords in place for the login. Make the passwords on your platform hard to predict, requiring long passwords with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And with that, let's look at best practice number 2. Best practice number 2, encrypt your data. Encryption converts plain text data into a scrambled, unreadable format. This means you can only decrypt this code with a proper key or password. So even if someone gains access to your data without proper access, they can't read it. Here are 3 steps you can follow to encrypt your data. Step number 1, identify the types of data that you need to encrypt. These can be passwords, financial information, and personal details. Step 2, choose a strong encryption algorithm, such as Advanced Encryption Standard AES. You can also use Reverse Shamer Alderman RSA to protect your data. Step 3, integrate the encryption process into your SaaS platform and test it. And that's it. These 3 simple steps will help you encrypt your data. Now, let's go to best practice number 3. Best practice number 3, put guardrails in place for your users. What do I mean by putting guardrails in place? Let me explain. Putting guardrails in place means setting up boundaries and limitations that keep users from accessing or doing certain things that could potentially harm the system. Think of it like driving on a highway with guardrails on the side of the road. They're there to keep you from veering off course and getting into an accident. Similarly, guardrails in SaaS apps are designed to prevent users from engaging in risky behavior that could lead to security breaches or other types of problems. For instance, some of the guardrails that you can put in place for your SaaS products are: number 1, file upload restrictions. You can put restrictions on the types of files that users can upload to your application so that you can prevent malicious files from being uploaded. Number 2, access controls. Limit the number of users who can access to sensitive data or functionality within the application. Number 3, security auditing and monitoring. You can perform regular security audits and monitoring to detect and respond to security threats in real time. This can include measures like intrusion detection, vulnerability scanning, and log file analysis. Alright, on the 4th best practice. Best practice number 4, session management. To avoid unauthorized access to your app, you can set up session timeouts, IP address monitoring, and session ID regeneration. This will ensure that no unverified users have access to your app. And now, time for the 5th best practice. Best practice number 5, two-factor authentication, the simplest and most powerful way to protect your SaaS application. In fact, it's so powerful that Bruce Shanier, a cybersecurity expert and author of several books on security and privacy, had to say this: two-factor authentication is one of the easiest and most effective ways to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. And it should be used by everyone who values their online security. You see, not having enough security in place is like inviting a robber to your house with an open door. And just as an open door is an invitation for a thief to come and take whatever they please, not having enough security on your SaaS product is an invitation to hackers. An invitation for them to come to breach your application, steal your data, and damage your reputation. So unless you don't care about protecting your data, your reputation, and avoiding legal battles with regulatory authorities, You cannot afford not to have two-factor authentication for your SaaS app. The reason it's so effective is its simplicity and effectiveness. When you add it to your app, every time a user logs in, they require a unique OTP code via SMS. They simply enter the code and log into the app, allowing only verified users to log in and preventing hackers, cyber attackers, and everyone else, telling them to simply buzz off and try their luck somewhere else. So here's the thing. If you're looking for an SMS platform to help you add two-factor authentication to your website or application, which trust me, you do, click on the link in the description to check out SMS Country. Built for enterprise-grade security, SMS Country delivers OTP SMS in less than 3 seconds to your users anywhere around the world. SMS Country SMS API is easy to integrate and you get complete, consistent, responsive support from our expert tech and support team. Again, simply click the link in the description and power your app with enterprise-grade two-factor authentication right now. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another video. Cheers!